So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the x-axis, the name of the x-axis of a chart on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, go to the top here and press on the chart icon. Go ahead and select whatever chart that you're looking for. So if you wanted this chart right here, I'll just press this black and white one right here. Very basic. Now if you want to change the name, or I guess edit the name or add a name of the x-axis at the bottom, press on the chart right here. Make sure that axis is selected. So if chart selected, just go ahead and press on axis. Make sure that category X or the x-axis right here is selected, and where it says axis options, make sure that name is checked. Now, as you can tell, the name is right here. So once again, if it's unchecked, you won't see it. If it's checked, you will. And now you can just change this to whatever you want. And I will change it to the x-axis. So very simple, very straightforward, but that's how to edit the x-axis name on a chart on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.